Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to change class or package name in Eclipse. As you can see, in this class I missed to write second S for system. Let's update it. For this, first, I right-click on the class that I want to change the name, then click on Refactor and Rename. You will see this little window appearing on the screen. Just change the name here. In this case, I want to add S to correct my class name, then click on Next. Click on Next again, then click on Finish button. As you can see, my class name has been updated. You can change package name with same approach. Let's check. Create a package by right-clicking on SRC file. Click on New, then click on Package. Give any name. I am giving name as Java Practice. Then click on Finish button. My Java Practice package has been created. I am following the same approach to change its name. Right-click on Package, click on Refactor, then click on Rename. I am just adding 123, then click on OK button. My package name has been changed as well.